Okay, going to take a look at the difference between the Rocketbook Fusion and the Rocketbook Wave. These are both erasable uh, notebooks, but they're a little bit different how they work. You can see the Wave um, doesn't have has kind of normal paper. It's got a grid, and you can see here. Here's some stuff I've already written. These are the kind of pens you need to use. Same pens work with both notebooks. These are basically erasable pens. These are the brands that I have here. There's some other ones out there, but basically they have to be erasable pens. And you can see I've written stuff on here, drawn some drawings a long time ago, and I can easily just erase right here. And this paper is it's not shiny. It's kind of coarse, I guess. But you can see I can right here. I can erase it. Here's the other pen, and just you can see also the other thing is it doesn't smear, and that's kind of you'll see the difference between this and the Fusion. I did a video before on how this works. This is you erase the entire notebook by sticking it in the microwave and putting a mug of water on it. So that's one difference. You can you can erase the entire notebook, and you'll see here I did another video there. The whole thing is completely gone. The difference with the Fusion is first of all, it has, you'll see some other, it's more of like a planner type of book. It's very thin, it's very nice, very nice looking. It has some blank calendars and different things you can write in, where the Wave is just a blank notebook. So it has some different things that comes with it. Now you can see I already wrote some things here. You can of course use the pen like before to erase. Now you'll notice there when I wrote it smears a little, and that's kind of the difference. It's a very shiny type of paper, kind of like a whiteboard almost, but on paper. And what you use this is the Fusion comes with this nice little cloth, and what you do is you wet it. You get one end wet. See, now you got one end wet here, and I use that just to erase the whole thing. So this one you don't put in the microwave. You just use the cloth, you wet it. I keep one end dry so I can kind of keep that nice, and I can kind of dry it right away. And you can see I wrote some other stuff over there, and that's it. But you don't put this in the microwave like the Wave, and that's kind of the key difference. Also point out that they both have the same type of, how you can upload to the app. They got the QR code, and then you can't really see it here, it's kind of hard, but those symbols is you would, when you write something in, you would mark which symbol and use QR code, and those symbols go to different things, like whether it's OneNote or Drive or Evernote or whatever, right? So you can kind of see, so that works the same. So that kind of functionality, that's just a little reminder of which symbol goes to which, cloud storage program or whatever. And that's about it. Hope that helps. Thanks.